Welcome to MathLink Academy, where we connect the dots. What I want to talk about today is scientific notation. And so my name is Mr. C, and I want to focus on looking at just scientific notation. So let's get started. Scientific notation. In scientific notation, a number is written as a whole number or decimal number between 1 and 10, and that's very important. Multiplied by 20 with a suitable exponent. So let's talk about this. So in scientific notation, we're going to look at how we can write things in scientific notation. So we're at our whiteboard and we want to look at this number and we want to write in scientific notation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the particular number as a number between 1 and 10. So the 146, and that's 146,000, we're going to write that as a number between 1 and 10 by moving the decimal. In this case, it's going to be 1.46. We always want to have a number between 1 and 10. So 1.46, and that's a number between 1 and 10, times, and then we're going to write down the number 10, and how many times did we move the decimal? Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so this would be to the 5th power. Since we went into the left direction, it'd be a positive 5. And so this answer is 1.46 times 10 to the 5th. That's how you write that number in scientific notation. Let's do another number. Let's convert 2,578 into scientific notation. Now, first thing, we got to get our main number between 1 and 10. So here's the decimal. We'll move that over 3 times. So my number I'm going to use, I'm going to write down equal, it's going to be 2.578. That's a number between 1 and 10. Times 10, that's the power. And how many times did we move the decimal over in the left direction? 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 10 to the 3rd power. So that's the same number, but written in scientific notation. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's say we have 332.4. Let's write that in scientific notation. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to move the decimal over just one place. And so that gives me 3.24 times what? Times 10 to the positive 1. And that's what we have there. And that's the same as before. So just look at those examples to understand how we got that positive exponent. Let's go to a new slide. Let's say we want to use this. I'm going to give you another number, 0.0138. Now, I want to write that as a scientific notation, but notice I'm going to have to move my decimal in the right direction and put it there to make the first number, that base number, between 1 and 10. So this is equal to 1.38 times 10. We always use times 10 to what power? Now, since I went to the right direction, it'll be to the -2. Let's do that again. Let's do that again with another one. 0.4897. Let's convert that as a scientific notation. Again, my decimal's here, so I have to move it to the right 1 over. So this is equal to 4.897. That's a number between 1 and 10, 4.897 times 10 to the what? Right, to the -1. Similarly, I'm going to show you something. Let's say I've written this down. 3.681 times 10 to the negative 3. Let's say I give you scientific notation. I'm asking you to convert that to a number, a decimal number. Now, what we're going to do is look at our exponent. It's negative 3. Since it's in scientific notation, that means I'm going to move my decimal 1, 2, 3 in the left direction to reverse it to what we did before to write as a decimal. So my final answer, I will put zeros here, will be, this is how you write this. This will equal to 0.003687. I'm going to erase this so you don't get confused of how I got that. There we go. So that's what that's equal to. Now let's use the same number, 3.687 times 10 to the positive 3. What would that be as a decimal number? So we'll move this over 3 times, and then this will give me 3687, 3,000. So it's a little different since we're in a positive, we move it, we reverse it, we go in that direction. So that would be my answer for that particular problem. Hopefully that helps how to convert a number to scientific notation and then scientific notation number to a decimal number. Again, review the video again to get a better understanding, or look at some of our supplementary material on our MathLink Academy website. Again, thank you for watching this video or this MathLink video.